If we move up 2 frets, 1, 2, we get that sound. So with this D minor chord, just 3 fingers, first finger, first fret, first string, second finger, second fret, third string, and third finger, third fret, second string. Make sure your thumb's down at the back, fingers are nice and curled, you're pressing on with the tips of your fingers. And with the plectrum, I'm just strumming 4 strings. This is a movable chord. If we move up 2 frets, 1, 2, we get that sound. And do feel free to experiment into other frets as well. See what sounds nice, what sounds bad. Etc, etc. So some variations on this chord. We could do a D augmented, where we bring this finger into the second fret like this. If we take that one down again, we'd need to swap our fingers around, but we'd get this, which is a dm7. So our first finger covers 2 strings here. It's a bit like the F chord. If you've not seen the F chord video, here it is. Links in the description, check that one out. So D-7, 2 strings, and then your second finger goes here in the second fret. The last one would be D-6. So we take off the bar and just have the first finger here. Sounds like this. So we end up getting this rundown. Listen to it. It's the kind of thing that's used in samba or bossa nova, Brazilian style music. You might hear something like this. It's that same rundown. So there's your D minor. Join the Facebook group Guitar Practice VIP, where you can learn everything you need to know to advance your guitar playing.